What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. So today me and TJ will be trying some more snacks for you guys, okay? So here we have a South African snack box, and it has rusks, some Simba chips, chocolate bars. It has quite a lot of stuff. So it's like 26 units. So it's quite a bit of stuff in there. So yeah, we're gonna give this a try today, and it's kind of what the box looks like, okay? So let's jump right into it, and we're gonna go ahead and start with the Simba chips. All right, here you go. That's what it looks like. I actually pretty good. It has a sweet taste to it. It's Mrs. H.S. Ball's chutney flavor. Kind of have, I wouldn't say barbecue sauce, but it has a sweet taste to it. I actually like these. If I could find these in store every day, I would definitely buy these. Yeah, so we'll try this bad boy next. So this is a buttermilk rusk cookie. These are a little bit hard, but not bad at all. And actually, this will go really well with your coffee. Not too sweet or nothing. So if you're a coffee lover, having this in the morning with your coffee will be pretty good. Yeah, I can rock with these ones right here. Not bad at all. If you're a coffee lover, it's one for you. Okay, so next we'll go ahead and try these original flavored toffees. Toffee kind of reminds me more of the Now or Laters, or yeah, but that's what it looks like. It's like caramel type toffee. Oh, that is hard. Hold on.
Looks like honey. Looks like honey.
It's kind of hard, but it's still chewy.
Tastes pretty good.
This one's good. Not my favorite, but still pretty good. I could rock with this though.
Tastes like honey.
It does. It doesn't really taste much like caramel, but it's still good to me. I'll put it there. Next, we have this milk chocolate confection with Aero center and fill biscuit wafers. That's a lot. But a wafer? Can't go wrong with that one. Oh, hold on. Alright, y'all. So, that's what the wafer looks like. And it's actually two of each in the box. You get quite a bit. TJ, you didn't bite nothing. You gotta bite it too.
I just want to eat this size.
He's not a big chocolate person, so no. I like it.
I like the normal chocolate.
Wafer, chocolate. Can't go wrong with that. I like that one.
Yeah, but I know.
Let's try this one next. The mini shortbread biscuits. Yeah, give this one a shot.
Okay, I'm gonna try.
This is what it looks like. That's the little package. So.
Wait. Kind of tastes like crisp bars. Kind of tastes like crisp bars.
Like crisp bars?
Yeah.
What is that? What's a crisp bar?
Like some kind of like Kit Kat crisp bars.
This is another one where it'll go perfect with your coffee. So if you're a coffee lover, you like that. Not too sweet or anything. It's like, you know how shortbread cookies are? It's just not as, these are not as hard as a shortbread cookie. They're a little bit softer, but Still pretty good. I can rock those for Christmas, okay?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
What you want to do next?
So I want to do, yep, this. This is really good. I would want to buy it.
CJ, you haven't even tried it yet. So this one is smooth white chocolate with original jelly tots. I don't know what that is, but
I think it's good too.
That's the fun thing about life. Why not go out on a limb and try stuff like this? Try stuff from different cultures. Familiarize yourself with what other cultures like.
Look, you know in the back,
take a bite.
It says jelly beans.
It does. You got, TJ, you got to really bite it now. See, look at that. Y'all see that small piece? See, this is the thing. You got to make sure you get the jelly stuff too.
Tastes like banana.
No, it doesn't.
Wait, does it?
Mm-mm. I'm not getting banana. It really does just have those little, these little jelly candy. Yeah, those are in between. I have never loved jelly tots, ever. I cannot stand those things.
No,
but
me.
I'm not really a big fan of this one just because the chocolate is really sweet. And I don't like jelly tots. So, yeah, that one's not really up my alley. Let's see this one.
So you know what I'm going to buy?
Wafer, biscuit, and caramel covered in cocoa flavored coating.
Yeah, because
that's this one right here.
I'm buying these. I'm buying these because they're really yummy.
Well, you can have the rest.
Yeah, but we couldn't. We
haven't tried those yet.
Yeah. So.
But yeah, so take a bite. That's what it looks like. Just a regular wafer.
Tastes like chocolate.
Actually, this really kind of tastes more like a Kit Kat, but more chewy than a Kit Kat. It's kind of chewy, like it got caramel in there, but it's not caramel. I think that chewy stuff is the white chocolate, but either way, I like that one right there. I can rock with that.
Yeah.
Alright, y'all, so we're going to try this one next. It just says frutas on it, so I'm not sure what that is. The hell?
Oh, I got green.
Oh, that tastes like bubblegum.
Mama got pink, and I got like...
Oh, you have a different color?
Yeah, they can be different colors. Like, whoa.
Oh. Okay, I think I just ended up with some bubblegum, but either way. I'm going to show y'all what this tastes like. Okay, y'all. This right here. Double bubble. But it's the one in the yellow package. I think it's yellow and blue. This is the one that it tastes like. Not this flavor, but the yellow flavor. The yellow package flavor. So, next.
No, start with this.
We're going to do this bad boy right here.
It's jelly.
And this is Smarties.
Smarties?
Candy coated milk chocolate confession. So, let's see. Alright, so y'all, that's what it looks like. Here you go.
I'll take blue because blue is my favorite. Kind of tastes like M&M.
Oh yeah, that's just the brown package M&M. That's all this is. The chocolate is just a little bit harder.
It kind of looks like jelly beans.
No, it's pretty much the brown paper bag M&M. Brown bag M&M. No peanuts. All right, let's get this one right here. Lunch bar. That's all it says. So, let's see. Yeah. That's what it looks like.
Oh, it looks crumbled or something.
That's another one with the wafers. I have to say, South Africa, y'all got some good snacks. I can rock with that one right there. For sure.
Yeah, they also taste like chocolate.
That's pretty good. I like that. And it also tastes like, with the wafer, again, that white chocolate, that's what I'm getting from that. Alright, so I got this one next. It says Maynard Original Wine Gums. It really just looks like a gummy bear.
It kind of looks like a cup.
I ain't no daggone gummy bear. That ain't no daggone gummy bear. I can't chew that thing. Look at that. I ain't no daggone gummy bear. Yeah, y'all, that one took a little bit to chew, but it took some time, but it ain't, it's kind of like a gummy bear, just a lot harder than a gummy bear. And it takes some chewing to get that thing done, but actually, do you know how that gummy bear is real tasty? That's how this is, so I can rock with that one too. Alright, so this one is a thick milk chocolate with nougat and caramel center. Kind of like a Babe Ruth. It's not my favorite, but it's not bad. Yeah, it's not bad at all. But to me, it's like a Babe Ruth. Alright, y'all, so we got these things next. It's called a fizzer. So, I don't really know what that is. I guess we're going to try that right now. We're going to fizz it. Okay, nope, I'm not going to say that. Oh, that thing sticks everywhere. Alright, y'all, so these literally just taste like now or later. So we're pretty much just going to switch. He'll try the pink one, and I'll try this green one.
Whoa, it's work.
But I'll tell you what, after this video is over, I'm eating these for sure. Like it?
Mm-hmm. I guess my leg hurts.
I'll fix it for you right after. So yeah, now or later's good. Now we got these lollipops, apple flavored, cherry flavored. Now I love. Okay, there you go.
You love cherry, right?
I'm just gonna give it a little taste. Okay.
Wait, you're opening yours before me.
A little hard. Hold on. Alright, y'all. So, yeah. Let's see.
It's sticking everywhere.
It's sticking. It's hard. Well, it's also really good. It's a regular lollipop. I'm not sure which lollipop I've tried that I can compare this to, but either way, great flavor. It's really sticky though. It's extremely sticky. It is sticking to my teeth right now. Good thing I ain't got my veneers on. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so we're down to... Oh, I thought it was 2 more. Hold up. Alright, y'all, so we're down to the last one. The flings.
Yeah.
Like I said, we've tried this in a video before. It was me and my mom. But let me tell y'all something. This snack right here. Let me tell you something. This snack's so good. It'll have you like fighting somebody for this snack. You hear me?
I tried it before because my dad bought them.
There you go. Actually, we bought them on Amazon.
I still have candy.
Look at that. I promise you, this is the best cheese puff I have had in my life. And if I say my life, you know it is serious. This thing is amazing.
I give this 10 stars.
20 stars. 100 stars, DJ.
I'm going to give that 120 stars.
There you go. This thing's pretty good. Like, the first time we tried it, we went to the store and we were like, oh, African snacks, let's do it. We tried it, and ever since then, every time we went to the store, we'd buy 2 packs until it was all gone. But it was like the family size pack. Then I started buying on Amazon, but Amazon was a little expensive, so I was like, no. So when I saw this in the box, I was excited. However, listen, y'all. These African snacks definitely banging. Y'all need to give these a try. There's not one snack that I can say was terrible. They were all pretty good. It might not be my favorite, but they were all pretty good. There was none that I was like, nah. Listen, South African snacks, banging. Y'all should give them a try. What's up, TJ?
So, my favorite snacks are the honey ones and the gum one.
So, his favorite is this one and this one.
And this one too.
Oops, this one, these two.
Yep.
So for me, the flings and my Simba chips. Yeah, these are pretty good. Yeah, but overall, like I said, everything was good. So I hope y'all like this video. Until next time.
Peace out.
There you go.